Good day to each and everyone. So, recorded lang sa karon kay medyo hinay akong internet, so please bear with me. Okay, so this evening we will discuss on the um, computers, how computers connect to other. Okay, so let me share screen. Okay, so our topic is all about how computer connect to other, right? So this topic deals with the connection of the computer, could be wired or wireless. So this is more on peripherals using wired or wireless connection method mentioned, and it is similar to when computer wants to connect to another computer with or without wires, right? So when you say computer network system or networking, able to communicate with one another over the network. So network, it could be wired or wireless. So computer is an interconnection of two or more computers. Basta more than one, more than two interconnected computers. So these are uh, what we call computer network system. So we have different types of network systems. And the first one is personal area network or PAN, personal area network. It is a type of connection which is often limited to an individual person. Uh, uh, and then, nag-range na siya up to, normally devices must be within the range of 10 meters with each other. So basically, isa ka location lang ni siya, personal area network. An example lang is laptop, smartphone, portable printers, which is located at the same area. Another one is the local area network. It is connection in which group of computers and other devices such as network printers share common communication line within certain areas such as building or small campus or lands. Compare sa personal area network, much bigger na ang local area network. Same thing na sa kuan lang siya sa sa isa lang siya ka-location pero bigger siya compare sa personal area network which is 10 meters lang each computers. Right? Example lang sa LAN, sa school, sa computer laboratory. So, kana siya. Another one is the wide area network or WAN. May be less restrictive than LAN as rules and policies may be deeper within this coverage. So, more about a group of LAN is a WAN. So, for example, two or more group of LAN which is interconnected within each other. So, ang tawag niya ana is wide area network. So, bigger siya, mas taas, mas dako og coverage. Method of communication, said, do ka pamagi, it could be wired or wireless communication. Okay? So, sa wired communication, different types of cable that are used to connect to a given network. So, we have the coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, Ethernet cable, and traditional telephone wires. Sa coaxial, muna siya ginagamit sa PLDT, itong mga dagko ng and fiber optic cables, atong ginaingon nila nga fiber connection. So this is typically in a form of glass. And then Ethernet cables are the UTP cables, okay? And traditional telephone lines are kanang sa traditional telephone is kanang modem. So katong wire nga gamit is kanang sa telephone. Okay? Okay lang. Okay, to continue, computer systems have different connection which usually depend on the motherboard's form factor. Okay, so depende sa computer. Yapan. So the popular wired connection nowadays include the following. Okay, so USB, Universal Serial Bus, meaning connection or interface that allows the computer to communicate with system peripherals such as keyboard, mouse, printer. Okay, so common connection from one device to computer is kining USB cable. Okay? Even ang cellphone, kung mag-connect ka sa cellphone, sa imong computer, so kining typical nga USB cable ang ginagamit. We have the FireWire, mo ni nani ang FireWire connection, a type of connector that can transmit data to and from devices which have typical high data rates. Mas fast pa siya compare sa USB. Okay? We also have the Ethernet. The Ethernet cable. An Ethernet cable transmits signal between a computer and a network device. Okay? So, mo na siya ginagamit for networking ng wired connection. Okay? HDMI, common, ang ginagamit or meaning sa HDMI is High Definition Multimedia Interface. Connector for transmitting audio and video data. So, pwede siya audio and video na ginagamit natin sa TV, computers, projectors, digital televisions. Another one is the VGA, 15-pin video graphics array, or meaning sa VGA is video graphics array. Kini siya is ginagamit for projector, TV, computer gapon. Pero unlike sa HDMI, ang VGA is for video lang, wala siya audio. Serial, kini siya, nani serial. Ginagamit niya sa mga printer nga dot matrix katong saba nga printer. So, tawag po niya niya is RS232 na cable. So, serial connection. May mga devices nga intended for serial connection. We also the parallel, kini siya, daan gyapon siya nga connection. So, nagyapon mga devices nga ang iyang gamit ng connection is sinani. Similar to serial, parallel connections were used before the connecting of computer peripherals such as printers. So, katong mga printer nga dagko nga dot matrix ang gamit, so inani gyapon yung ginagamit, serial, parallel connector. We have the PS2, katong ang bago nga mouse karon is USB ang gamit pero sa una nga before ana PS2 ang gamit nga connector sa keyboard and mouse. So 6-pin connector used to connect the mouse and keyboard. Purple is para sa keyboard and the green is para sa mouse. We also have the audio jacks sa likod. Muna ginabutangan og speakers. Okay? Si pink is sa microphone. Si blue ang sa line in. And then si green could be front speaker or back speaker or even headset pwede ang itawag na. Okay. So, here are some of the wireless communication na ginagamit for connection. Microwave transmission, kini siya mga sa cell sites na to. Okay? Cellphone yung mga signals, mo siya ato ang microwave transmission. Satellite communication, yung mga outside sa sa gawa sa Earth. Cellular transmission, usually cellular transmission and microwave transmission are almost the same since ang tower nila is usahay ginaisa na lang na to. Radio transmission kini siya is more on kanang radio transmitter, more on audio okay, sa radio, ng typical AM, FM. Wireless technologies differ hugely from one another, but the most popular type are Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineering or IEEE bali murag ilang gibuhatan og standardization ang connection, wireless connection. Could be Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Standard is 802.11 for Wi-Fi and 802.15 for the Bluetooth in wireless standard. So kini mga number is murag mahulog ni siya nga ilang channel. Okay? Wi-Fi uses radio waves to wirelessly transmit information across a network. Majority of Wi-Fi users use mobile devices. Okay? So, ano siya? Sa Bluetooth uses radio waves to connect to other devices. But compare sa Wi-Fi, Bluetooth is kaya ni hangtod 10 meters. Ang Wi-Fi at least 100 meters, I think, open range. Okay? So, moto siya sa communication. So how computer connect to other. And then to continue for the next lesson under sa module 2, I think, how human communicate with the computer. Right? So this will be the last topic para sa coverage exam. Right? So sa computer, people who invented the computer identified two areas in computer system, the hardware and the software. Right? For communication purposes, computer software humans are able to communicate with the computer by the use of the software. Right? So sa a computer software is a combination of instructions, data, and programs that computer needs to order to do a specific task. Another term used for the computer software is the computer programs. Okay? So we have two types of computer software. First is application software. In application software, more familiar with application software, most day-to-day tasks na ginagamit nato. For example, Microsoft Office, Facebook, Photoshop, Google Chrome is a part of application software. Okay? Different types of application software. These are few of the daghan ng mga softwares. Okay? So, first table is the application program type. We have the word processing software, database software, spreadsheet software, multimedia software, presentation software, enterprise software, information worker software, and educational software. First, sa word processing software, natin mga Word, Microsoft Word, WordPad, and Notepad. These are word processing kana maka-create ka og kanang documents. Okay? Database software, example niya Oracle, Microsoft Access. Kini siya nga softwares is makabuhat og list or database sa ka-data. Okay? Spreadsheet is, examples sa spreadsheet software are Apple, Numbers, Microsoft Excel. Spreadsheet, maka-create ka og formula. Okay? Multimedia software, these are players, okay? Real players, media player, even VLC is a part of multimedia software. Presentation software in which maka-create ka og mga presentation for business purposes like Microsoft PowerPoint, Keynote, na pwede ka ng sa kanin siya nga software ha, kaning software basta para maka-create siya og presentation. Enterprise software is for customer relationship management system for business purposes, kanang accounting, so enterprise software. Information worker software is the tools for resource management tools. Right? And educational software, these are magamit sa education like Britannica, Encarta, mathematics. Sa mathematics is na ni MATLAB. Kining MATLAB is mo detect siya og formula, mo create siya og mga formula based sa given nga question sa mathematics. Okay. So those are some examples. Another is simulation software. Sa simulation software, mura na siya og kanang realistic. Okay. Sa simulation software, natay flight and scientific simulators. Google Earth is example of simulation. Mura kag mo sa kalugar, kita nimo ang picture dito. Okay. Sa software, for engineering and product development, integrated development, IDE. Sa application suite, we have the OpenOffice, Microsoft Office. So, okay, so system software are also called operating system or OS. So, mo na siya nagapadagan sa tanan nga program inside sa computer. The OS or operating system allows a person to interact with the computer from the hardware components and peripherals to install software applications and files one has stored on the computer. So we have this operating system, a kind of operating system, ang this operating system by the use of command line. So black lang siya, i-type lang nimo dira ang gusto nimo nga command. Okay? So that is this operating system. We have Windows with a graphical user interface, GUI, operating system such as pictures, buttons. So mo na siya ang karon, Windows na. And then sa atong system platform, desktop systems differ from mobile system. Okay? So sa mobile system is with the use of mobile applications. Kung sa computer natin, operating system, ang sa mobile systems is natin platform. Okay? So sa system software, two of the most popular desktop system software is the Windows and Mac. So kung Apple users, Mac ang gamit. Sa Windows, yun siya. Online application software, type of software na po siya. Software packages are available from different vendors. So designed to specific tasks or users. Na siya ang gamit niya is for specific tasks. Okay? It could be productivity tools and others. So short recap lang ko sa different types of system or softwares. We have the application, we have the application software, the different types of application software, kini siya. We also have system software, is kini siya ginagamit for the system sa computers. This operating system is more on command line. Okay? The system platforms, system software is para sa Windows and Mac. Online application software is for specific application software like Photoshop is for editing. Right? So, ito. So, mo to siya ang last topic for the computer system on how computer communicate with computer. Right? So, okay. So, mo lang itong atong coverage sa exam from the beginning up to this topic. And then, short discussion lang. And then, pwede nyo i-replay ni siya nga video para paano nyo ang na-discuss. Then I'll be uploading po ani siyang module sa atong LMS. And by Thursday, we will be having a short recap. So we will be having a short kanang review para sa atong exam next week. So I'll be giving pointers po by Thursday. Okay? So kung may mga questions, comment lang. And then, or reserve lang para sa Thursday, we will be having a short review. Okay? So kana lang sa for this day. And good night everyone. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Good night.